Kaya it's not surprising that your husband did not pursue her. Maraming naka-hide in her closet. Maganda pa naman si girl, pero bakit ang mga lumalabas sa bibig niya ang layo sa mukha? That's why the man knows deep down in his heart that the woman he married didn't just meet that standard, but she redefined it. Hey guys, Clyde here. Kamusta kayo today? Our today's vlog is a bit different. I have a story to tell. Pero take note, nangyari to sa totoong buhay. A friend recently asked me kung naniniwala daw ako sa bad eye. Sabi ko naman, honestly no. Kasi my husband and I believe in God and His protection. Pero napaisip ako, bakit siya napatanong? Then she shared this story about her husband's ex-girlfriend. It's been more than 5 years. 5 years na guys. Pero yung girl hindi pa makapag-move on. Kahit lingid naman sa kaalaman ng iba na yung babae ay nagkaroon na din naman ng mga karelasyon. This ex-girl daw is very vocal saying nasty things about my friend and her husband. She always compares her looks and very proud about it. Wala namang masama doon kasi maganda nga. Kaya naman itong dalawa, they tried to understand her doings because things did not go well in the past. And giving her attention would only lead to toxicity. Right? Sana naman matanggap na ng girl na wala na sila ng husband ng friend ko. Lalo pa, ang preferred ni guy is a straight woman at hindi bi. I know na kanya-kanya tayong preferences sa bagay na yan, pero ito na yung nakakashock. One time, this ex-girlfriend was seen in a live stream sa isang social media platform wishing death sa anak o magiging anak ng friend at ng husband niya. Yes, death. And the way she said it, grabe yung tawa niya. So sorry to say that guys, kasi nakita ko talaga yung video. She has no remorse. My friend showed me the video kasi she has a copy. My take here is, yes, makakapagsilita talaga tayo ng hindi magagandang bagay, lalo na kung nasa moving on stage pa tayo. But there should be a limitation. Napasabi tuloy ako sa friend ko, maganda pa naman si girl, pero bakit ang mga lumalabas sa bibig niya ang layo sa mukha? Kaya it's not surprising that your husband did not pursue her. Maraming naka-hide in her closet. And here's the kicker. The ex-girlfriend uses kamsa. You know this hand of Fatima? This symbol, this is used for protection sa mga evil eye. Takot pala siya ma-evil eye. Pero wala namang habas yung dila niya mag-wish ng masama sa kapwa niya. I guess she has to reflect kung sino ba talaga yung sinasamba niya. Kung yung nasa taas o yung nandun sa baba. By the way guys, she said it on the video pala na wala daw siyang sinasamba. You know guys, I do not invalidate broken-hearted people kasi I experienced that din naman. Pero kung lagi mo nalang ginagamit yung trauma mo just to validate your evil doings, I don't think it's still trauma. It is your real personality, your character. How will God protect you from evil eye kung ikaw mismo ginagawa mo yan? You know guys, hindi porket nasaktan tayo kasi everyone experience pain. Lahat tayo nasasaktan ng ibang tao. But it doesn't mean na we have the right to wish death on someone's child. Especially kung ang nagsasabi nun o nag-wish nun has people na gusto din niyang protektahan. Those people who are doing that ay magkakaanak din or baka nga may anak o may pamilya na you won't wish tragic things to happen to them. Diba? Well, that's only a scenario para makapagnilay-nilay tayo. Tayong lahat before we speak. Moving on is hard. We know that. But I know for sure na marami pa ring tao sa paligid natin ang magsusupport for us to be a better person. Kaso, hindi yun mangyayari kung ikaw mismo hindi mo tinutulungan yung sarili mo. 'Di ba? Ilang naman yon yung mga bagay na sinasabi niya about sa kabilang partido. Sabi ko, you did the right thing. You did your best to reconcile. There was the situation na my friend kasi is an empath. So, she tried to talk to her in a chat. They had a good conversation. It's just that after a few days, the ex-girlfriend again said nasty things. Kaya, she blocked her na lang para wala nang gulo. Ang maganda sana doon, she noticed na naging positive yung mga sinishare na content ng ex-girlfriend nung nagkaroon sila ng magandang conversation. It's just that, there was a chance na sana na maging maganda yung dynamics. It's just that, yun na nga, sometimes, we don't watch our words. Kaya, nasasira yung mga bagay-bagay. Remember this, guys. Empathy is good, but it can't be applied all the time, especially to people who choose to be toxic. Then, consistency matters. You cannot ask God for protection if you keep on cursing others. Kaya, if you don't want to experience bad eye, stop doing it. It will only show that you are unhappy, seeking validation from the crowd, and that you always want to prove that you are better than others. And that is very tiring. Kami tuloy itong napapagod sa'yo. Kidding aside, let's stop provoking other people na kasi. Kasi baka mamaya, yung mga pinoprovoke natin, patulan ka niyan. I mean guys, there are people talaga na mahilig mag-provoke. Then later on, hindi naman pala kayang panindigan mag-isa. Hindi naman kayang mag-isa. At naghahanap ng kakampi. Babalik ta rin yung nangyari. You know, I saw a lot of people na ganyan yung gawain. For sure, hindi lang ako, kahit kayo. Kasi nangyayari yan sa totoong buhay. Ito na lang girl, sisterly advice again. What you wished is not God's doing. Yung nasa baba yan. Praying na lang ng magagandang bagay para sa sarili mo, para sa family mo, to everyone around you na binavalue mo. Alam ko naman na you are a good person. It's just that sa bagay na yan, kailangan mo pa mag-mature. Hindi lahat ng bagay, ikaw lang yung may alam, at hindi lahat ng bagay, ikaw ang lamang. So guys, just a simple thought that I would like to share about these three people in the story. Because maganda ka, ikaw na yung gold standard. It is not about who looks better in the photos. It is not about who talks a lot. It is about who has the broader mind. While you spend so much time comparing yourself and chasing status, the other one is busy being an empath. And take note, she has also seen the worst in people, but still choose kindness. And here is the secret. That was always his real standard. At hindi ganda lang. That's why the man knows deep down in his heart that the woman he married didn't just meet that standard, but she redefined it. But anyways, kayo ba guys? Naka-experience na ba kayo something similar? Let's talk in the comment section below, and you can suggest topics that we can tackle. Stay safe, stay kind, and protect your peace. Love you guys!